Okay, I got ready for the day. Here's my outfit. My jeans are from American Eagle. My belt is from Goodwill. I think my mom gave it to me. And then my shirt is from Walmart. I curled my hair. My mom's cleaning out our attic. Hard at work. Hard at work or hardly working? That's you when you're a baby.
I was a baby. I was your...
Hey, look, these blue lights. I don't know what those are from.
Yeah.
We're pranksters around here.
Hey, Will. Do you want this?
Mini house tour. Whoa, everyone asks on my lives and stuff to give you guys a house tour. So here's a little house tour, front door, the office, my mom's room, our living room, the kitchen, that's a mess, dining room.
It's not a mess, it's just organizing.
Oh, this area,
I like it.
basement's there, pantry, this is some other room, this is a bathroom downstairs. I'll show you upstairs later or something. Laundry room. Outside. My grandma's here right now. Until tomorrow. Boys suck. Literally, end of story. Boys suck. I'm not playing Sims, so. You play Sim. I don't play Sim. I'm going to Qdoba right now to meet with my friend Peyton. You guys have not met her yet. But we're gonna go to eat. We're supposed to go to this like IU group thing, but like that's not happening anymore now. Hi! I'm vlogging.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi, vlog. Oh, that's fancy.
Is this fancy? Go ahead. That's crazy. I know. I don't feel like weird vlogging with like somebody, but like if I was by myself, I wouldn't do that at all. After you. Thank you. Oh, it's recording. We're talking about how we don't want to go to graduation. And I forgot to show you our food. I suck at vlogging.
I got a what's it called? Nacho bowl. And it looks really gross right now, but it probably looks good.
We got a nacho bowl.
We're getting tattoos.
Matching ones. Okay guys, I'll update you when we get to our next place. Me and Peyton just went to this coffee shop and literally sat there for like a hot minute and talked about a plan we have. Okay, we're the type of people like that we do like to do like spontaneous stuff and like stuff like that. So we booked tattoo appointments for Friday at noon. So we booked those and they were like, haha, okay. And then we were eating and then I was like, I think we told you when we were at Qdoba that like we wanted to go to Texas. And then we were like, all right, let's like, so we sat down at the coffee shop, we literally started like planning it out. And we were like, okay, if we drive, it would be cheaper because it was that flights. And we're like, her cousin would go with us. It wouldn't even be that much like money. And so we're going to put a box together. I'm going to the Dollar Tree right now to like make a box, and it's gonna say like Texas on it, and we're just gonna keep putting money in it, and then we'll end up having money for Texas. So I just got out of the Dollar Tree. I didn't vlog in that because there's literally so many people in there. I was like, I just felt weird to vlog or whatever. These are mine and Peyton's saving jars. They're cute. I'm gonna write Texas on the top. And then I got a card thingy, which honestly I don't know if it'll work. Your USB thing. I left mine in Bloomington. Okay, I decided I'm going to wash my car. I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna set you up so you can watch us. Me and Will, my brother, are going to wash my car. So we're adding some dish soap in here. Pour water there. I've never washed my car or a car before. I think it happened when I was like 5.
It's filming me.
Okay? Say something to it.
I don't want to.
Okay, you flip that thing around. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can vlog us. Come on. A car tour. They don't know what my car.
All right, he needs to do the sprayer. Well, honey, put the sprayer thing on and then come in the front. He's really your help?
What? I haven't done the other side, so you can go to the other side.
No, I don't really want to.
Just show my friend of my car. Oh yeah, that's like what they're doing.
Good job, Will. You have not actually cleaned a car before.
Look
Doing an excellent job, Will.
at me.
I already told you what kind of job you're doing.
Okay, this is my car now. It looks good. I'm actually proud. I mean, there's some things that could have been done better, but now I'm gonna clean. Oh shit, I missed a whole section. There we go. Finished car product. Now I'm gonna clean the inside of my car. And let me just show you a before and after.
Hello? Hi.
Here's the inside. It's like super gross in there. Like down the crack. My dog. Ooh, that's so gross. I don't know why I'm even showing you. Like in the seat. Like what even is this? Down there's really gross. Okay. The moral of the story is just gross in here.